I'm here to let you know about some changes to North Carolina's insurance laws that took effect at the beginning of this year. Now, there are two major changes, the second being the most critical for our clients, in my opinion. The first change, starting January 1st, the minimum limits for liability insurance for policies renewed after January 1st went from $30,000 to $50,000. So if you have a minimum limits policy, whatever month your insurance policy renews, your new limits will go up to $50,000. Now, if you already have more than $50,000, your limits will stay the same, unless you request a change. Second, and here's the most important change, for policies renewed after January 1st, there is no offset for underinsured coverage. If you don't know what underinsured or UIM means, I'll link to some previous videos in the notes. Here's what the change means. So before January 2025, if you were in a crash with someone who had $50,000 in liability coverage and you had $50,000 in UIM coverage, your insurance carrier would get an offset. So there's only a total of $50,000 in coverage. And you got nothing for all those premiums that you paid for UIM. Now, with the new law, for policies renewed after January 1st, we're able to stack the coverages. So if your policy renewed on January 1st and you got in a wreck on January 2nd, and just like the above, the driver had $50,000 in coverage and you had $50,000 in UIM, there would be a total of $100,000 in coverage. So you add them together instead of offsetting. So what does this mean for you? Renew your policy as soon as you can. Now, if you get in a wreck today and renew your policy tomorrow, you'd still be stuck with the offset. So take a moment to do that and protect yourself and your family. Any questions? Shoot me an email, ann@bikelaw.com. Thanks.